every day at EISB begins with a world of possibilities, where learners are welcomed as inquirers on a journey of discovery. The IB PYP curriculum drives learning through curiosity and exploration, with educators who nurture young minds to develop conceptual understandings. In this collaborative environment, learners and educators work together to explore, create, and solve problems, building essential ATL skills that support them as lifelong learners. Physical activity is an integral part of the day. Learners build confidence and discover their strengths through sports, embodying the learner profile attributes of being balanced and principled. Through clubs, learners can pursue their passions, develop new skills, and grow as individuals, building self-management and thinking skills while fostering creativity and independence. Through creativity and reflection, learners engage as communicators and reflective thinkers, supported by educators who encourage them to express and refine their unique perspectives. Each day concludes with newfound confidence as mentors and learners reflect together, acknowledging their achievements and growth in becoming knowledgeable, caring, and open-minded learners.